Hello students, how are you all? So this is the chapter 6 adjectives and part 4th of this chapter. Okay students, so till now we have done all these exercises. Okay students, as we can see, all these exercises we have done till now. Okay, and I have also given you the homework to make a picture of your favorite toy and write 3 lines about it, like this. Okay, and now we will learn with the ladybird. So let's begin. Words like very, really make other words stronger. So students, very and really are two words which makes the other words stronger. We use very and really like this. So students, let's understand how we can use these words to make other words more stronger. Like, she is tall. So here is a girl, we can see she is tall. He is very tall. So students, here is a boy who is very tall. She is tall, but the boy is very tall. Very tall. Okay, so that means very, when we add with tall, so it makes the word tall a stronger one. Okay, let's understand more about these words. For an example, he is angry. So the boy is angry. Okay. He is very angry. So the boy is very angry. So students, here is the word angry which is being used for the boy. Okay. But this boy is very angry. So that means very, when we use before angry, so angry is becoming more stronger word. Okay. So here is another one. They are dirty. So we can see the boys are playing and they are dirty. But in the another sentence, they are really dirty. So the boys are playing but they are very dirty. So dirty word becomes more stronger. Okay, by using really. Okay. So here is another one. He is funny. Here is a joker, we can see here, and he is funny. He is really funny. So when we use really before funny, that becomes stronger, like really funny. Okay? So let's understand it. We put very, really before the adjectives they describe. These words are called intensifier. So these words are called intensifier, means they become more stronger than the word which we have used before. Like angry becomes very angry, funny becomes very funny, and tall becomes very tall. Okay students, so let's do some exercise and we will understand more about it. So here is another one, that is intensifier. Okay students, so let's begin with it. Tick the correct answer, cross the wrong sentences. So in this we have to tick the correct answer and cross the wrong sentences. So the first one is, it is really beautiful. So the butterfly is really beautiful. So it is correct because we are using the intensifier word, that is really. It is very a rainy day. So very is being used, so we'll be going to tick mark this as a rainy day. Okay. Now there is another one. Be careful, you are driving very fast. So students, very is a word and it describes or intensify the fast word. Okay, so this is also correct. Wow, really it is quick. So really. So and what is the stronger word? That is really. And what is the supportive word? That is quick. Okay, so this is also right. So this is how we have to do it. Now here is another one. Write sentences using very and really. So this is the fill in the blanks which we have to do it with the words very and really. So how we have to do it? There is an example. The plane is very big. Okay? Students, so we have to use the intensifier words. Okay? Second one, mom and dad are really happy. So we're going to write it here, really. Really happy. Then the third word, Emily thinks Sarah is very happy. So we're going to write it here, very happy. Okay. Fourth one, the kite is dash high. So the kite is very high. Okay students, so this is how we have to use these words. So students, this is how we have come to the end of this part 4th of this chapter. I hope students you have understood this chapter.